It's Codename. Shit, birds, so they gonna move in. Birds, so they gonna move in into the grapevine. Sorry, birds. Sorry, birds. You gotta start over somewhere else, man. You ain't moving in over here, Jack. Nice try. Alright, so I got off. And look who back. And not only is she back, this nest look better than ever. Look better than ever. So this time, I'm not gonna let y'all watch me destroy a beautiful nest like this. But please understand, man, I love the earth. I love to live with the earth. I really love the earth. I really love to live with everything. But you have to understand, this is a grapevine. And the grapes are starting to come, man. This is a grapevine. And the number one enemy to my vine is birds and mites. Birds 1, mites 2. The number one enemy to the vine is birds. So how could I let a bird move into the grapevine? It's not going to happen. So this time, I'm going to just let y'all admire this beautiful nest. And man, I figured, man, once you see me destroy the beginning of your nest, you'll feel like this area is not a good area to make a nest. And I know that bird probably got them little eggs just sitting at the back of her butt, ready to pop out. So now when I take this nest, man, this might throw off that whole season for that couple. But next season, they'll know to put their nest in a better place. And then on top of that, man, them cats be walking this back fence. The cats walk the back fence because it's rats and stuff that live in that bamboo. It's rats and stuff that live in that bamboo. So, man, the cat's gonna jump up here and eat them anyway. So, I'm doing them a favor, and I'm doing me a favor. But I'm not doing the cats a favor because I'm taking their free, easy meal. But just to show you, man, this is what this girl did in one day. Well, maybe 2, after I took the beginnings of her nest. But man, this Codename 420, man, I've been borderline clean since mid-December. I can't put a date on it because this on the record. It might be a little look-a-who looking like, oh, that's when he went clean? You know what I'm saying? And I say borderline because it's been like 2 or 3 relapses in the process. I can't even call it a relapse, man. On the live, when we go live, we're going to run the whole journey of a toker quitting, a real creator quitting. And I'm going to talk about how I don't even necessarily advise it, bro. I don't advise creators that toke to quit toking. But I'm going to run it on the live. We're going to do our first live on our 1-year anniversary. We're going to pop it off live. Man. Y'all not going to witness what happens next. It's Codename.